Welcome to Luxury Insider Channel. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLB has just been unveiled ahead of its spring 2026 global launch, and this next-generation compact SUV marks a significant step forward for Mercedes' popular family-orientated model. Redesigned from the ground up, the new GLB delivers a striking blend of advanced electric and hybrid powertrain options, improved interior space, cutting-edge technology, and versatile passenger and cargo solutions that appeal to a wide range of modern drivers. From the exterior, the 2026 GLB projects a refreshed and confident presence that stays true to its SUV roots while embracing contemporary design language. The new SUV appears wider and longer, yet slightly lower than before, giving it a sportier and more refined stance. Its boxy silhouette enhances interior space while maintaining the rugged appeal that SUV buyers love. Mercedes-Benz's designers have added modern touches such as flush door handles, bold grille patterns, and sleek LED lighting with connected signature elements that wrap around the body, creating a cohesive and futuristic look on the road. One of the biggest talking points is the GLB's electrified focus. The 2026 GLB debuts with all-electric variants powered by an 85 kWh battery and a next-generation 800-volt electrical architecture, delivering up to 631 kilometers of WLTP range in the single-motor GLB 250+ model and up to 614 kilometers in the dual-motor GLB 350. 4MATIC. These models benefit from ultra-fast DC charging up to 320 kilowatts, capable of adding around 260 kilometers of range in just 10 minutes under the right conditions. This level of efficiency and charging speed positions the GLB as one of the most capable electric compact SUVs in its class. But the Land Cruiser's strength goes far beyond just horsepower and torque. Its off-road prowess is legendary and continues with features like crawl control, which helps maintain steady low speeds over rocks or uneven surfaces, and multi-terrain select, which automatically adjusts vehicle settings to match conditions like mud, sand, or gravel. Higher trim levels even add a stabilizer disconnect mechanism that allows the front-end roll bar to decouple for greater wheel articulation, a huge advantage when navigating rocky trails. Inside the cabin, the 2026 GLB takes a giant leap forward in both luxury and technology. Mercedes' latest MBUX Superscreen concept plays a central role in the interior experience, bringing together a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and dual 14-inch central displays that serve driving information, navigation, entertainment, and connectivity. This layout creates a seamless digital environment that feels intuitive, responsive, and future-focused. Premium materials and thoughtful design details elevate cabin comfort, from soft touch-up upholstery to ambient lighting that enhances mood and spatial perception. A panoramic glass roof, now more widely available, floods the interior with natural light and features electrochromic technology in some markets, allowing occupants to adjust transparency with a tap. The combination of spacious seating, increased headroom, and versatile seating configurations, including an available 7-seat layout, makes the GLB ideal for families or anyone needing flexible passenger and cargo space. Underpinning the 2026 GLB is the advanced MMA platform. Shared with other next-generation Mercedes models like the new CLA, this modular architecture supports a range of powertrain options and contributes to a lower drag coefficient, improved structural rigidity, and reduced noise for a quieter ride. Mercedes has also incorporated new aerodynamic elements, subtly sculpted fenders, and lightweight body components that enhance efficiency without compromising overall strength. In terms of performance, the electric GLB models balance power and efficiency. The GLB 250 Plus with a single electric motor provides brisk acceleration and confident high-speed cruising, while the GLB 354 Maddox dual motor setup delivers both enhanced traction and additional horsepower for drivers who want more engaging performance. Regenerative braking systems help recover energy during deceleration, and multiple driving modes tailor responsiveness to your preferences, from relaxed daily driving to sharper, sportier dynamics on demand. Mercedes-Benz also places a strong emphasis on safety and driver support with the 2026 GLB. The SUV includes an advanced suite of assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and more. Optional enhancements like 360-degree cameras and parking assists make maneuvering easier and safer in tight spaces, particularly beneficial for larger SUVs and families. Connectivity features elevate the GLB's appeal for tech-savvy buyers. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, ensuring seamless phone integration without additional cables. Built-in navigation with real-time traffic updates simplifies long trips, while multiple USB-C ports and wireless charging pads keep devices powered for all occupants. With over-the-air update capability, the GLB's software can stay current long after purchase, enhancing longevity and user experience. As for its position in the market, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLB enters a highly competitive segment that includes rivals like the Tesla Model Y, Audi Q4 e-tron, and Volkswagen ID.4. Yet the GLB sets itself apart by offering premium quality, electrified options, and the flexibility of 7-seat capability, a rarity in this class. It competes not only on design and technology, but also on sheer practicality, making it a compelling option for families, electric vehicle enthusiasts, and anyone looking for a refined yet adventurous SUV. With global deliveries beginning in early 2026, the all-new GLB looks poised to redefine expectations for compact luxury SUVs, combining Mercedes-Benz's hallmark craftsmanship with future-forward powertrains, sophisticated interiors, and intelligent technology. The 2026 GLB promises to offer a driving experience that's both exhilarating and exceptionally usable for everyday life.